Hello folks, it's A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Manual transmission fans gonna love this news from the Bronco. And the off-road enthusiasts are by and large thrilled at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco. Now, Ford managed to hit just about every single target it needed in order to make this a splash in the off-road SUV market. Giving the new Bronco the standard four-wheel drive, rugged body-on-frame construction, a solid rear axle, an available manual transmission, and best of all, an optional Sasquatch package with some seriously hardcore upgrades. But if you can recall, those last two items, they aren't available together. The 7-speed manual being reserved for the Bronco base 2.3 liter turbo engine, while the Sasquatch package can only be optioned with the 2.7 liter V6. And that particular choice has rallied plenty of Ford fans, who even started an internet petition to persuade the automaker to make a stick shift for the Sasquatch package. And what you see here is a 2.3 liter base model. Now there's evidence that customer petitioning and crying out might just have prompted Ford to change its position, as the Bronco Nation purports to have spotted a manual equipped 2.3 liter Ford Bronco testing the Sasquatch components in Utah. The SUV was wearing a Sasquatch beadlock capable wheels and the big 35-inch mud terrain tires. Notably, the fender flares were removed, presumably to give those massive tires a bit more room to travel. Now here's where things get a little intense and contentious. Though speaking to the drive and learning from the drive, a Ford spokesperson said that the Bronco lineup and powertrain offers configurations remain as announced on July 13th. Any claims that Ford is planning to offer the Sasquatch package with the 7-speed is speculation, per the spokesperson. Hey. No, I'm just making a video. Oh, I see. Now, of course, whatever the powertrain lineup officially is at the moment, Ford might still be evaluating a manual Sasquatch to be announced at some future date. It's also possible that Ford is simply testing those bead-like capable wheels and 35-inch tires on the 2.3 liter stiff shift Bronco for a particular reason. Because those parts, they are going to be selling those parts too on the aftermarket through Ford's parts catalog. Now remember, the automaker is launching its off-road SUV with a full range of official parts to woo the sort of enthusiast who likes to personalize their rides. Because why go to the aftermarket when you can just stay at home with Ford? However, the enthusiasts are still clinging to the hope that the online petition work and that Ford indeed will offer the Sasquatch package with a 7-speed manual. It would only make sense for the Ford to offer the manual transmission on all their models and not to hold back. We'll see if it's economically feasible. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. And remember, like and subscribe. And if no one told you this today, you are perfect. You are awesome. And I appreciate with the greatest gratitude that you guys have come to this channel. And boy, oh boy, wouldn't it be nice to have a manual and a Sasquatch package? Of course, this is a V8. Boy, don't we wish that could happen. I think it might. I'm gonna do a video on that in a second.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.